Nasu don't threaten to resume strike if federal government no pay them money when them they owe. The members of the Non-Academic Staff Union of Education and Associated Institutions (Nasu) don't threaten to resume their suspended strike when they meet for the National Executive Council meeting of the association. President of the union, Makolo Hassan, tok say the president no do wetin im promise the education sector 3 months ago.
The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO) in its Education for All report for 2000 to 2015 tagged Dakar Framework of Action called for significant increase in financial commitment by national governments and donors to the education sector to accelerate progress towards achieving the EFA goals. Ahmed Buhari joined other world leaders in August 2021 Global Education Summit in London to make commitment to increase funding of education. He promised at the summit that his administration will increase the annual domestic education budget for 2022 and 2023 by 50%. 3 months down the line, August 2021 to October 2021, the 2022 budget to the education sector falls short of that promise.
The Secretary General of the Union, Peter Adeyemi, come talk say when they meet with the government no dey respect the union.
Cap in hand, begging government to apprehend strike. So when you go on this strike, they call you to a meeting, you will hardly see other agencies of government there. We in Nasu have attended several meetings that the Minister of Labor will be seated. In our presence, the minister will be calling budget, this, that. These guys don't respect the trade union. They think we are just there for nothing. And that is why the orientation has to change. It's not about lack of knowledge. It's about lack of will on the part of employers to do what is desirable.
Dem also pass vote of no confidence on the Integrated Payroll and Personal Information System (IPPIS). Pentecost Ogurure